Welcome. In front of me is a MOTOROLA Moto G15, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. For this, I will be using home screen, which is already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure whatever you want to capture is right now visible on your screen. Once it is, hold the power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have this flash along with a pop-up with edit, share, Google Lens and the delete options visible for a brief moment, after which this pop-up disappears. Once it does so, you can find the captured screenshot in your Photos application, and typically it would be located in the Photos tab, so you will want to navigate right here to the Collections tab and Screenshots. And obviously here you'll find strictly screenshots and nothing else, which makes it easy to find. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.